Imagine if everyday materials could bend, stretch, and even repair themselves, like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough that's turning that vision into reality. At Princeton University, engineers are harnessing nature's secrets to revolutionize 3D printing. Inspired by the toughness of seashells and the flexibility of bamboo, they're creating soft plastics that are not only recyclable but can also be precisely engineered to move exactly where needed. This breakthrough uses a cutting-edge process known as high operating temperature direct ink writing, or HOT-DIW. In this process, thermoplastic elastomers, TPEs, are transformed into advanced materials. Picture stiff nanocylinders embedded within a flexible polymer matrix. By controlling the flow during printing, these nanocylinders align perfectly, resulting in a material that is rigid in one direction and flexible in another. It's like having the best of both worlds. Think of it this way. Just as the layers in a seashell create strength without extra weight, this process produces a material that is strong where support is needed and soft where movement is essential. This innovation paves the way for advancements in soft robotics, personalized medical devices, and high-performance athletic gear. After printing, thermal annealing refines the material even further. By carefully heating and cooling the printed structure, the alignment of the nanostructures is enhanced. This step not only boosts the material's strength but also gives it a remarkable self-healing ability, a product that can repair itself after a cut or break, maintaining its performance over time. The implications are vast. This technology is transforming industries by offering affordable, sustainable, and customizable materials. Whether it's adaptable soft robotics, tailored medical devices, or athletic gear that enhances performance, these innovations promise to redefine manufacturing. With material costs that are a fraction of traditional options, this approach truly offers a sustainable solution. As Professor Emily Davidson explains, we're not just printing plastics, we're creating materials with tailored properties. It's like giving designers a brand new toolkit to shape the future. Her insight highlights the human ingenuity behind this breakthrough. By blending nature's brilliance with modern engineering, Princeton's innovation is paving the way for a sustainable, customizable future. As industries around the world seek greener solutions, this technology is set to reshape everything from healthcare to consumer products. Join us on this exciting journey and discover how recyclable, flexible materials are set to redefine the future of manufacturing. Be part of the revolution.